What do we think of Gijón so far?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Maybe an 8, 9. I don't know enough.
We haven't seen the beach yet.
What we've seen, pretty good.
Come on, Sarah, go. We can now officially give the fun a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for the
Absolute sunset and everything.
water baby and
So Sarah, how's it going so far? 6 out of 10 for bathrooms. 10 out of 10 for views.
Yep. Why 6 out of 10 for bathroom? What have we just done?
We have to make our own little pee puddle on a pile of stones.
Next to
a big tour bus full of people who I'm pretty sure saw my bare butt. Not an ideal way to start your Saturday.
So girls, what do we think of the first lake?
It's a bit pequeño. Very
It's pretty.
Snow in the background.
I know.
Now it is. Point where we're going?
I think we're going to go over there.
Yeah.
Up the mountain into the snow.
I hope not too cold. So after 3.7 kilometers,
We walked so far.
we've stopped for a little picnic. Great view, bit windy, but it is delicious. Need another word to make my tune so call yourself a writer. Yours just fluffing. Names on the credits and you didn't write nothing. I passed and I didn't go to Brit school. I came fast with the way right. I can't last if I'm circuit on the crap.
doing better. Hike done, and now it is time to hop back in the car and do the very treacherous drive down the hill so that we can head back to Gijón for lunch. Worth it.
Gorgeous church and this wide man.
And we need to get this very wide set ombre.
We need to get this girl a Kanya or something because she has just driven on a crazy road.
Like a champion. Sarah, how are you finding it? It's perfectly timed. It's so beautiful.
Oh my goodness, look at the different colours of the sea.
Oh.